Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video I'll show you how to fix the request failed error on Cash App. So if Cash App won't send or request money and keeps showing this error, then just follow along. First, check that your phone has a stable internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the error disappears. Next, close Cash App completely and then reopen it again. And if the problem still continues, you need to make sure you're using the latest version of Cash App by checking for updates in the App Store. And also verify that Cash App server aren't experiencing a temporary outage, as this can prevent requests from going through. And if you're requesting money from someone, then you need to confirm that you've entered the correct cash tag, phone number, or email address. And if you've recently changed your phone or payment method, then you need to make sure your account information is fully updated. If the error still appears, you need to contact Cash App support through the app so they can investigate your account. So that was how to fix the request failed error on Cash App. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.